Children, how are you? Hope all of you are safe at your home. Welcome to class 3. We are going to learn mathematics today. Okay? And in our block 1, we are going to discuss about 4-digit numbers. And in last year, in our class 2, we already studied about 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. We can see 4-digit numbers in our daily life at many places. We meet many places in our daily life. Our current year is, we know that our current year is 2020. It's a 4-digit number. And we can see 4-digit numbers in the number plates of cars, etc. Okay? And we know that the smallest 2-digit number is smallest 2-digit number is 10 and largest 2-digit number is 99 and the smallest three-digit number is 100 and largest 3-digit number is 999, that is 999. And if we are adding 1 to 999, if we are adding 1 to 999, we get a new number, that is 4-digit number, that I can write like this. And this number is known as 1000. The spelling of 1000 is THOUSAND. This is a new number 1000. Okay. Next we have to write how to write a 4-digit number. Writing 4-digit number. Writing 4-digit number. And 4-digit number we can show it in an abacus or a place value chart. Have you heard of abacus? Abacus. I will show you an abacus here. This is an abacus. This is an abacus and see here, a lot of beads are here. A lot of beads are here and the numbers are expressed as beads. We can consider this is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds and this is thousands. Okay, I will draw the abacus on the board. An abacus we can draw in your notebook or in a plain paper like this. Okay, this is thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Okay, I am writing here a 4-digit number and we can see how to draw its abacus. Suppose our number is 2, 3, 4, 5. Our number is 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, 3 is in hundreds place, and 2 is in thousands place. Okay, so I am going to draw here 5 beads. Okay. Then in tens place our number is 4, so I am going to draw here 4 beads, and in hundreds place we can draw 3 beads, and in thousands place we can draw 2 beads. This is the representation of abacus, or showing numbers, showing this number in an abacus. Okay, we can see another example. How to draw? If an abacus is given to us, can you draw the number, 4-digit number? Okay. Here it is 1000, here hundreds, here 10, here 1. Children, can you say which 4-digit number is this? We can write, first we can write the number on the thousands place. That is, we have 2 beads here, so we can first write 2. Okay. Then in hundreds place we have 4 beads, so the next number is 4. Then in tens place we have 2 beads, so the next number is 2. And in ones place we have 3 beads, the next number is 3. Then when we write a 4-digit number, we should put a comma after 1000. In between 1000 and 100, we should put a comma. Okay. Next, we can show a 4-digit number as a place value chart. Place value chart. I will write here a 4-digit number 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a 4-digit number. Okay, we can see how to write a place value chart. First we have to write the thousands, next column hundreds, next tens, next ones. Okay, see here children, how many ones are here? 6. So the number 6 we can write it here. 6. Okay, and how many tens are here? 5. So we write it here 5. Then how many hundreds are here? 4. So 4. And how many thousands are here? 3. So this is the place value chart of this number. We can see another number. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 4-digit number. And how to write its place value chart, children? We have to draw 4 columns. The first column we have to write thousands. Next one, hundreds. Next, tens. And next, ones. Okay. Then in ones place there are, how many ones are there? 4. Then how many tens are there? 3. Then how many hundreds are there? 2. And how many thousands are there? 1. Okay. There are 2 methods for showing a 4-digit number we studied, that is in an abacus and a place value chart. Okay. Next concept is place value and face value of a number. Place value and face value of a number. First we can see what is face value of a number. Face value of a digit is the number itself. The face value of a digit is the face value of a digit is the number itself. What does it mean, children? I will write here a 4-digit number. What is the face value of 4? The face value of 4 is 4 itself. The face value of 3 is 3 itself. The face value of 5 is 5 itself. And face value of 9 is 9 itself. We can see one more example. 3, 4, 7, 9. Here the face value of 9 is, it's a 9 itself. What's the face value of 7 in this number? It is 7 itself. And what's the face value of 4? It's 4 itself. And what's the face value of 3? It's 3 itself. Whatever is the number, face value of a digit is the number itself. Okay. Then we can study what is the value of a number. What is the value of number? Before that, I am going to draw here a place value chart of a number 3, 4, 7, 5. We studied the place value chart, how to draw a place value chart. First we have to write the thousands, then hundreds, then tens, and then ones. Then we have to draw 4 columns. And here the number is 5. In ones place it is 5, and in tens place the number is 7, the digit is 7, and in hundreds place the digit is 4, and in thousands place the digit is 3. Okay. Then face value of 3 is 3 itself, that we already studied, and face value of 4 is 4 itself, face value of 7 is 7 itself, and face value of 5 is 5 itself. Then we can find out what is the meaning of value. Value of a digit. Value of digit in a number. Okay. Value is equal to face value into place. Value of a digit is face value into place, and we can see what is the value of 4 in this number. The value of 4 is, what is its face value, children? 4. Value of 4 face value of 4 is 4 itself, and its what is meaning of place? Place is, it is in hundreds place. So into 100 equal to 400. So in this number the value of 4 is 400. How we got it? Value is equal to face value into place. We know what is the value, face value of 4 in this number. Face value of 4 is 4 itself. Then we have to look at it is in which place. It is in hundreds place. So the value of 4 is 400. We can see one more example. Four, 7, 5, 6. Okay. And here the place value chart, the numbers will change. What is the face value of 4 here? 4, 7, 5, 6. Okay. And what is the value of 5 in this number? Value of 5 is equal to face value into place. What is the face value of 5? What is the face value of 5? It is 5 itself. And what is its place? It's in tens place. So that is into 10. We got 50. Okay. That's about face values, values and place. Okay, children. I hope all of you understood the concept of how to write 4-digit numbers, abacus and place, value and face value. Okay, and you try to do the practice questions and additional practice questions from your content book, and if you have any doubt you can contact me. Okay, thank you.